This is my audience. My name is Maddy Collom, and today I'm going to be talking to you about off-grid living. 8,131,139,500. That is the population of the world as of July 2025. Because of the carbon footprint we humans are leaving, it is estimated that climate change will inevitably make living life on Earth harder and more dangerous in the next 18 years. 18 years is not just within our lifetime, it's also within our children's lifetime. This is not a future problem, it's a now problem. Let's not make life harder by ruining the only home we have. I know off-grid living is not the most common way of life, but it is effective. Off-grid living reduces the carbon footprint, lessens overall waste, and also helps the cost of everyday life. First, let's go over ways to reduce carbon footprint. A carbon footprint is the impact of human activity on climate change. One way to reduce carbon footprint is by switching to solar energy instead of using fossil fuel energies. Fossil fuel energies fuel electricity and ways of transportation, which are things we use every single day. Fossil fuels produce carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxides, and nitrogen dioxides, which contribute to air pollution. Now, solar energy is more costly up front, but it does have its benefits and it reduces overall price over time on electricity. 292.4 million. That's how many tons of generated municipal waste is produced per day in America, says the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. That is 4.9 pounds per person per day. One way to reduce waste is by recycling. Things like food scraps could be used as compost for gardening to grow your own food. Other ways to minimize waste would be source reduction, which is reducing overall waste altogether in the first place. Doing this, you could use reusable shopping bags, reusable water bottles, and using rags instead of paper towels. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, grocery prices have gone up 23.6% just since 2020. And the U.S. Department of Labor Statistics says energy costs have grown 34% just since 2020. These are all the things that end up in landfills. And that's silver. Living off-grid would not only solve problems, but it would also help with pollution, waste reduction, and overall costs of everyday living. This is the only home we have, so let's take care of it. I'm not saying that we should all go off-grid and live by candlelight, but living a more sustainable lifestyle could help make this world a better place for you, me, and future generations.